Hi everyone! Today we're diving into the world of natural cleaning. We'll make a surface spray using ingredients straight from your garden. It's amazing what nature provides. Get ready for a clean home that smells amazing. This spray is easy to make and good for you. No harsh chemicals here. Using natural ingredients makes your home healthier. Plus, it's a fun project. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for our natural cleaning adventure. Fresh rosemary sprigs, fresh lavender sprigs, fresh mint leaves, 1 lemon, water, a pot for simmering, a strainer, and a spray bottle. These ingredients are probably already in your garden. How great is that? Fresh herbs make the best cleaning spray. You'll love the fresh scent. Let's talk about our star ingredients. These natural wonders are not just for cooking or aromatherapy, they are also fantastic for cleaning. Each one brings something special to our cleaning spray. They work together to create a powerful yet gentle cleaning solution that is safe for your home and the environment. Rosemary is a powerhouse. It's naturally antibacterial and smells amazing. This herb has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. When used in cleaning, it helps to disinfect surfaces, leaving them not only clean, but also smelling wonderful. Lavender is calming and also antibacterial. It leaves your home smelling so fresh. Beyond its lovely scent, lavender has the ability to reduce stress and anxiety, making your home a more peaceful place. Its antibacterial properties ensure that your surfaces are not just clean, but also free from harmful bacteria. Mint is known for its refreshing scent. It also helps keep those pesky bugs away. Mint's invigorating aroma can uplift your mood, and its natural insect-repelling properties make it a great addition to any cleaning spray. It's perfect for keeping your home fresh and bug-free. And lemon? It cuts through grease and grime like magic. Plus, it adds a bright, clean scent. Lemons are acidic, which makes them excellent for breaking down tough stains and grease. Their natural citrus scent leaves your home smelling clean and vibrant. Together, they make the perfect team for a naturally clean and fresh home. By combining these herbs, you get a cleaning spray that is not only effective, but also eco-friendly. You can feel good about using it around your family and pets, knowing that it's free from harsh chemicals. Embrace the power of nature in your cleaning routine and enjoy a home that is both clean and healthy. Let's get to making our spray. Today, we're going to craft a natural surface spray that is not only effective, but also eco-friendly and safe for your home. This DIY project is perfect for those who want to avoid harsh chemicals and embrace a more natural lifestyle. It's easier than you think. With just a few simple ingredients and a bit of time, you'll have a powerful cleaner that smells amazing and works wonders on various surfaces. First, gather your rosemary, lavender, and mint sprigs. These herbs are not only fragrant, but also have natural antibacterial properties, making them perfect for a cleaning spray. Wash them gently and pat them dry. It's important to remove any dirt or debris to ensure your spray is as clean and pure as possible. Next, slice 1 lemon into rounds. Lemons are great for cleaning because they have natural acidic properties that help break down grime and leave surfaces sparkling. Fill your pot with water and bring it to a gentle simmer. The heat will help release the essential oils from the herbs and lemon, infusing the water with their beneficial properties. Add your herbs and lemon slices to the simmering water. As they simmer, the natural oils and fragrances will blend together, creating a powerful and pleasant cleaning solution. Let them simmer for about 30 minutes, infusing the water with their goodness. This step is crucial as it allows the essential oils to fully integrate into the water, enhancing the cleaning power of your spray. After simmering, carefully strain the liquid into a bowl. Use a fine mesh strainer to ensure you catch all the solid pieces, leaving you with a smooth, infused liquid. Discard the herbs and lemon slices. They've done their job, and now you have a beautifully infused liquid ready for the next step. Let the infused liquid cool completely. This is important because adding hot liquid to a spray bottle can cause it to warp or even melt. Once cool, pour the liquid into your spray bottle. You can use a funnel to make this process easier and to avoid any spills. That's it. Your all-natural surface spray is ready to make your home sparkle. Use it on countertops, tables, and other surfaces to enjoy a fresh, clean, and chemical-free environment. Not only will your home look great, but it will also smell wonderful thanks to the natural fragrances of rosemary, lavender, mint, and lemon. Enjoy your new eco-friendly cleaning solution. Essential oils have been used for centuries for their aromatic and therapeutic properties. They are extracted from plants, capturing the plant's scent and flavor, or essence. These oils are highly concentrated and can be used in a variety of ways to enhance your daily life. Want to boost the cleaning power and scent of your spray? Essential oils can be a game changer. Not only do they add a pleasant aroma, but they also bring additional cleaning power to your homemade solutions. Imagine walking into a room that smells like a fresh herb garden or a citrus grove. Add a few drops of essential oils. Just a few drops can transform your cleaning routine. Essential oils are potent, so you don't need much to make a big difference. They can be added to water, vinegar, or other natural cleaning agents to enhance their effectiveness. Tea tree oil is a natural disinfectant. It's known for its powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. This makes it an excellent addition to your cleaning arsenal, especially for areas that need extra sanitizing, like kitchens and bathrooms. Eucalyptus oil helps clear the air. Its refreshing scent can help to purify the air and create a more invigorating atmosphere. It's particularly useful during the colder months when the air can feel stuffy and stale. Lemon or orange oil adds extra freshness. These citrus oils are not only uplifting but also have natural cleaning properties. They can help to cut through grease and grime, leaving surfaces sparkling clean and smelling wonderful. Choose your favorites and add a few drops to your spray bottle. You can experiment with different combinations to find the perfect blend for your needs. Whether you prefer the calming scent of lavender or the energizing aroma of peppermint, there's an essential oil for every preference. Remember, a little goes a long way. Essential oils are highly concentrated, so you only need a small amount to achieve the desired effect. Start with a few drops and adjust as needed. It's always easier to add more than to take away. Start with a few drops and see how you like the scent. Everyone's sense of smell is different, so it's important to find a balance that works for you. You can always add more if you want a stronger scent. You can always add more. If you find that the scent isn't strong enough, simply add a few more drops until you reach the desired intensity. With essential oils, you have the flexibility to customize your cleaning solutions to your liking. Section 6. Spray and enjoy your home naturally clean. Your natural surface spray is ready to use. Shake the bottle well and spray it on any surface that needs a refresh. Counters, tables, doorknobs, even your bathroom sink. This spray can handle it all. The natural ingredients will leave your home smelling amazing. You'll love the fresh, clean scent. Plus, you'll know that you're using a safe and eco-friendly product. It's a win-win. Cleaning has never felt so good. Section 7. Beyond the surface. The joys of natural cleaning. Making your own cleaning products is so rewarding. You control the ingredients, and you know exactly what's going into your home. Plus, it's a great way to be kind to the environment. No harsh chemicals are needed. Natural cleaning is also budget-friendly. You're using simple ingredients you might already have. It's amazing how effective and affordable natural cleaning can be. Section 8. Sharing the secret. Spreading the natural cleaning love. Once you've experienced the magic of natural cleaning, you'll want to share it with everyone you know. It's a wonderful gift idea. Pour your spray into a pretty bottle, add a personalized label, and share the love. You can even host a natural cleaning party with your friends. Everyone can make their own sprays and share tips. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to spend an afternoon. Section 9. Happy cleaning. There you have it. A simple and effective way to create a naturally clean and fresh home. From your garden to your cleaning routine, embracing natural solutions is a beautiful thing. Happy cleaning, everyone!